Hi, it's Nika and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? And I hope you are all well and safe, because today I will be happily sharing with you my hair care routine as well as the products that I use in maintaining color treated hair, and at the end of the video some important notes to keep in mind. But before that, I will be sharing with you a short backstory on my hair care journey. I started dyeing and bleaching my hair way back 2014 with a small amount of knowledge on how important hair care really is, and I ruined my hair a lot. I had dried hair, I had breakage, I had over bleached hair, but it's also because I was the only one who did my hair. I did it on my own. I never went to the salon or get it professionally done. I mean, up until now I still do my own hair, but with more knowledge, and I invested more on hair care. I also got the chance to dye my hair longer this quarantine because I didn't have to go to school. Sadly, our university doesn't allow colored hair, and I mean, I only had some few hair changes and hair transitions from last year. I had green, and then aquamarine, and then chocolate brown, and now my hair is currently pink. So for the first product that I use is of course shampoo. I just use ordinary shampoo, the ones we find at our local stores. But the ones that I use are the one that is specialized for color treated hair and for damage repair. The one that I use for my color treated hair is the Palmolive Vibrant Color. It is in a red bottle. I just ran out. It has pomegranate and avocado extracts. It helped me maintain having vibrant color. I use it on the daily, but it doesn't fade my colored hair. But right now I am using this Dove Damage Repair shampoo. But if I have newly bleached hair or blonde hair, I use this Tresemme Blonde Brilliance Purple shampoo. It helps tone away your yellow and orange tones from your blonde hair. But this is actually just an ordinary purple shampoo that you can use on the daily. It is not a hair toner, because people are often mistaken with the difference between toners and purple shampoos. Toners give you immediate results, but purple shampoos are used every day, and it gives you gradual results based on regular use. So for conditioner, my favorite one is from the Love Beauty and Planet in the blooming color variant. It is a vegan conditioner, that's why it is good for Mother Earth, and it actually helped me maintain vibrant colored hair, and it nourishes and hydrates my hair as well. My hair feels so soft after I use it, but I ran out of it. That's why I'm using the Creamsilk Rich Organic Powerfusion conditioner. And the other one that I'm using is the Hydrate and Revive Argan Morocco conditioner from OGX. The only problem with this one is it tends to grease up your hair, so I only apply it at the bottom parts of my hair, and it's a little bit expensive. The hair pack that I'm using is the one from Fresh Hairlab, which is the Milk Remedy hair pack. It is also my holy grail because it makes my hair very shiny and very healthy afterwards. I only apply this at the bottom parts of my hair because it tends to grease up and oil up my top hair. That's the only thing I hate about this. But this one really is affordable, and it gives a very good performance. I'm also using this Vitress long-lasting fragrance hair polish. I applied this one on fully dried hair. It makes my hair very smooth and very shiny, and it's very affordable as well. I also use this Brazilian Keratin hair treatments from Organix and a different brand. This is actually for dry and damaged hair, so it's perfect if you want to maintain that shiny and smooth hair in an affordable price. So just a quick reminder for you guys, first and foremost, is to do your research. It's good to do it by yourself but it's also good if you have this basis knowledge on how to do the whole process of bleaching and coloring your hair, and most importantly, the aftercare or hair care routine that you're going to use. And number 2 is to do know your commitment in aftercare. If you decide on dyeing or bleaching your hair, you have to know that you also have to take care of it. We can't expect healthy and nice hair if we don't actually give time in taking care of it. So if we know the whole process, it's also nice to know what comes after that. And number 3 is to not overdo the bleaching process. Bleaching is actually a very harsh chemical and it can damage your hair despite what brand you are using. So you have to observe your hair's current condition if it can survive a round of bleaching or even a round of hair dyeing. But if we do know the right process and we're using the right products, we may inflict lesser damage on our hair. And number 4 is to do not be afraid in trying different hair products, because it actually is a trial and error process. You just have to find a perfect product that will work on you and will best work on your hair. And last but not the least is number 5 is to do not rush in switching from one hair color to another. When it comes to this, there are lots of things to consider, and patience is really a virtue. For example, you have pink hair and then you wanted to have red hair. It would be much easier for you to go to a darker color with a lighter hair color as a base. But if you wanted to have a drastic change, for example, you have blue hair and then you wanted to change your hair into pink, it's hard to change from a cool tone color to a warm tone color, because cool tone color hair dyes actually tend to stick on the hair on a much longer and much stronger period. It usually takes forever to take out, so if you want to undergo a very harsh bleach bath, and we don't want that, we don't want dead and dry hair. So for me, my advice would be take it slow and wait for the color to actually fade before you switch on to a different color. And that is it for our video today, guys. I hope you learned something from me, and I hope to see you on my next videos. Thank you.